Welcome po sa kayo. Grabe po naman tayo. Are we close to po muna?
Maganda.
Cinemas for partnership with Cornerstone Studios, Springfield, and West Venture.
CRBS kasi.
Magkabilang doon.
Nakakailang. Artista pala ako. Muna po tayo. Thank you.
Josh Bell picture here.
Of course, Cornerstone Studios. The head of the media relations of the napakalinis na mounting ng event natin. Sa film sa Layan, nakita ko na po at I'd like to acknowledge Ms. Alma Medua. Hi, Ms. Alma. There she is. And Quest. Fred at Lino ay sa mga friends natin ng influencers.
Hindi ko alam yan. Basta naalam ko na lang. Galing ka pala doon. Pero hindi ko alam. Pasbag niyo, sir.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Actors there na Joshua Garcia is here. Andito ang mga kapamilya mo sa Papa P.
Oh yes, I'd like to acknowledge, of course, my family from Meet, Greet, and Buy. My mom, Miss Maricel Soriano. Not just si Inay.
Parating, definitely she's coming.
Wala pa si Inay. She's fashionably late. Maricel Soriano. Super. Hindi tayo magsisimula pag wala si Maricel Soriano.
I know.
Anyways, and of course, my brother Josh Garcia and Bel Mariano. Palakpakan po natin. Come on, guys. And
the rock star RC Munoz.
My birthday shake, Mona, RC Munoz.
Mona.
Love you, Mons. Love you, Mons. At sa buong pamilya namin dito, mga pamilya ko, mga kapatid ko, mga kaibigan ko, lahat nandito. Kasi para ma-assess natin kung gaano maganda yung pelikula. Para may pagkalam natin.
Correct. Okay. Mami couldn't be here, nasa States, pero definitely supportive yan. Okay, you have something to say? Sige, go ahead, Kyle. Kyle, nakko. Huwag kang umarte. Sige. Alright, please join your co-actors there as bago tayo mag-officially start. Group photo muna tayo. Isang group photo. Direct talk. Smile. Ayan, thank you sa mga media friends natin. Si Peter Dizon na MKS nandito na. I saw him na, someone told me he's here now. And of course, our cornerstone bosses, Jeff Vadillo and Erickson Raymundo. Jeff, of course, and of course, Miss Elma Medua ng Spring Films. Jeff Remigio ng MQuest Ventures, thank you for coming. Okay, so at this point, sige, we will have the cast to take their seats and join their co-actors and guests. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge the following. Ulitin ko lang. Thank you for coming. Again, thank you sa support. Colby Francisco, Philip Shaw, Hilay Padilla, Cheska Cabrera, Perlas, Joaquin Alce, thank you. Everonda, thank you. Ian Pangilinan, Elijah Canlas, where's Elijah pala? Sorry. I saw him earlier on. Elijah is here. Michael Thager is here na. Si Michael. Wala pa. RC Munoz. RC, thank you ha. It was good seeing you tonight. Bel Mariano, thank you so much. Grabe ang love and support naman ni Bel. Thank you, Bel. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'd like to acknowledge Miss Tina Diego ng Signal and TV5. Peter Dizon ng Empress, and of course, he finally made it. Gabby Eigenman! Hi, Gabby! Bati ka naman nakabata na yung co-actors mo. Greet everyone and ayun, ask for their support.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Pasensya na po, medyo na late ako kasi yung mga ginawang flood control medyo hindi maayos. But I'm glad that we're here. Let's enjoy the movie. Let's enjoy the ride. Congrats, PJ! I love you!
There, Gabby, please. The Eigenmans, di ba? Parang everyone's ang balas, busy silang lahat from Mike, from Direct Mike, to Ryan, everyone, they're busy. Okay, sige, okay na po ba yung media covering natin ng press? So, what time is it? So, a little past 7.
Lalim ah.
Yeah, okay. Again, tomorrow na po ang Grand Nationwide showing exclusive sa SM Cinemas at the